Welcome to the Hudson Valley, just north of New York City, where breathtaking estates and hidden gems dot the landscape. Today, we're taking you inside a truly unique property that has just hit the market for $10 million. It's not just the sprawling acreage or the elegant architecture that sets this place apart. It's the secret tucked away within its grounds. This magnificent estate offers the discerning buyer a taste of classic New York luxury. Imagine waking up to stunning views in one of its beautifully appointed bedrooms, or hosting elegant dinners in this grand dining room. The property boasts, mention a few key features from the article if available, for example, multiple bedrooms and bathrooms, chef's kitchen, etc. Keep it brief. Outside, manicured gardens and ample space provide a tranquil escape from city life. But the true surprise lies hidden within the estate's expansive grounds. Follow us as we discover a remarkable and unexpected feature. A large, meticulously crafted stone maze. This isn't your typical garden folly. This is a substantial labyrinth, offering a whimsical and engaging experience right in your own backyard. Imagine the hours of fun and intrigue this unique addition could provide for family and guests alike. This stone maze isn't just a decorative element, it's an experience. It invites exploration, offers a sense of adventure, and provides a truly one-of-a-kind amenity for a luxury home. For the buyer looking for something extraordinary, something that blends classic elegance with a touch of playful eccentricity, this New York estate with its incredible stone maze could be the perfect escape. If you're dreaming of a life where luxury meets a sense of wonder, this $10 million property might just be your next adventure.